It is interesting and inspiring to find yourself among professionals who are sincerely passionate about their work. This is exactly what happened to me in Tbilisi, said Oleksandra Rodyhina from Scientific and Technical Library of the Igor Sikorsky Kyiv Polytechnic Institute, Ukraine. Oleksandra was one of the invited speakers at the libraries as enablers of scientific research workshop, which took place at the National Scientific Library of Georgia in April 2023, organized under the auspices of the AP Connect project. Libraries play an essential role in the context and support of scientific research and open science, Oleksandra believes. Last year, at the height of the war, Igor Sikorsky KPI became the first university in Ukraine to develop and implement an open science policy. The library team worked on the creation of the policy from beginning to end. Oleksandra's main area of interest is the library's public relations. Together with her colleagues, she runs the library's social media accounts, manages the website, and creates newsletters. The university and the library have long-standing ties with the National Research and Education Network of Ukraine, URAN Association. With the support of the AP Connect project, where URAN represents Ukraine, the Kyiv Polytechnic Digital Library was born. Oleksandra's trip to Tbilisi also took place thanks to this collaboration. The journey between Ukraine and Georgia was a challenge. Oleksandra had to travel by bus from Kyiv to Warsaw for 16 hours and from there by plane for 3.5 hours. Oleksandra brought back from Tbilisi many priceless memories. It is impossible not to mention how strongly and sincerely Ukraine is supported by the world. We are not alone in our fight, and therefore we will win. You can read Oleksandra Rodyhina's interview on the URAN Association website.